In this video, I'm going to show you how to use quick parts in MS Word document. Let's get started. To access the quick parts, click on Insert tab, then choose Auto Text. Then you can choose the existing auto text, and you can use the existing document property fields or fields. So I'm going to use this option, and I'm going to delete this existing one I've created as part of my testing. So I'm going to create the new one again. So I'm going to use this phrase in my document again and again. So auto text feature is really good function to repeat text again and again. So the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So this is a sentence that I want to repeat in my document. Then I'm going to select the text, then click on auto text option, then choose save selection to auto text gallery. So I'm going to give some name. So English language pangram. Then click OK. So next time when you want to insert that text automatically, then you can type, as soon as you type English, and then the auto text function will appear, and you press enter. You can see it's showing as the quick brown fox jumps over. Then it will automatically insert it. And to remove this feature, and if you don't want this feature, then click on auto text, then building blocks organizer. You can see this is the one you have created, English language and auto text. This is a general category. Then you can either click on edit properties to see what is there, and if you want to delete that, you can delete. Click yes to delete. And next time when you type English, then nope, it's not automatic. It's not showing that message now. And MS Word also has some other document property fields. So for example, author name. And if your document has some author name, then it automatically displays the author name. And if you have some document, for example, you want to insert, for example, company name, then it displays the company name. But your company name for this file is not being set. So click on File, then click on Info tab. Now you can see, for example, the available tabs, some of the tabs here. And if you want to see all the properties, click on Show All the Properties. Then choose the name, choose the property that you want to change. So in this case, company. For example, I'm going to use, oops. Okay, then save, then so this name is automatically appears here. So these are the properties that will carry with this document. The next one is insert field. So let's say, for example, I'm going to insert field. So you want to know when this document is created. So you can choose the option called create to date. Then you can choose the format. What is the format that you want? For example, I want this format. Or this format. Okay, what are the format that you would prefer? Then click OK. And if you want to change the format, you can change the format. So let's say, for example, so here it's showing as a full name, or here, for example, showing as a full expanded name of Saturday. But I want to only Sat, only the 3 letters. So you can use you can remove one D. Then click OK. I can get only Sat, July 18, 2020. So this is how you can use the quick parts, and these are very useful when you are creating any documentation, and you can insert the predefined properties. Thank you for watching this video.